some of us creators, whenever we want to make our videos, we even run out of video ideas. We don't even know what to talk about. Sometimes you bring your phone and your camera and everything, set your camera and your microphone, you'll be lost on where to start from. Yes, I have been there before. Yeah, so some of us, we don't even, after we finally make that video, then posting it or giving the video necessary things that the video needs for that video to do well or to go viral, it will be a problem for us. We don't know how to optimize, because I used to get a lot of emails about people asking me how to optimize, because I used to talk about optimizing your channel and even your videos, not just to post that video there. Yeah, so I used to talk about it a lot, so I used to get most emails about that. So maybe you don't even know how to plan your content, the videos you want to make, or maybe after you have finally come up with an idea, you made that video, the video is excellent, but giving that video the necessary touches that it needs for that video to do well, to be a problem for us. So in this video, I'm going to show you one powerful app that can literally transform your YouTube journey. Yes, this is the same app that some of our smart YouTubers, they use it to gather views, subscribers, even watch hours, and even get monetized or discover the search whenever someone search about that particular that particular whatever. And the good part of it is that you can start using that app today to make videos, to start going viral. You understand? So if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like this video, and also drop a comment on the comment section. So guys, listen, I know the pain of spending hours filming, editing your videos, or thinking of content ideas. Then finally you got an idea and you made those videos and you uploaded it, and after uploading it, you watch YouTube, do nothing, absolutely nothing to that video, because you did not optimize it well, or because the video did not get those touches that you need to get for that video to go viral, or for YouTube to recommend it to the right audience. I know the frustration it brings. You understand? I've been there once when I was still new to this space. So that is even why I'm here. Yeah, that's why I'm here. So I have a solution that will help your YouTube journey or that will make your YouTube journey to be as smooth as what you can think of. Yeah, I know a lot of us, we have heard about ChatGPT. A lot of us have heard about it, but I know majority of us, we have not really used it, or we are not using it. So this powerful app, it will help your YouTube journey to be as smooth as what you can think of. I will be teaching you today how to plan your videos, how to script. If you want ChatGPT to help you to script, do the scripting. If you don't want, you can do the scripting yourself. But for you not to run out of video ideas, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT to help you do every work, make your work easy, because you know this era we are in now is era of AI, but you have to use that AI in the right way so that YouTube will not penalize you. Yeah, so you have to, that app will help you to optimize all your titles, your thumbnail, your description, your hashtags and tags. You don't need to stress yourself too much to start thinking about one thing or the other. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this video. But first, I want to introduce myself. If you're new here, my name is Calista, and in this channel we talk about YouTube growth, YouTube monetization, and making money online. So if that sounds like what you're interested in, do sit back and click on the subscribe button, and let's get into this video immediately. So guys, we are in our ChatGPT now. If you are using your phone, you can go to your Google Play Store and download ChatGPT. But if you're using your laptop, you can go to your Google or any browser, Chrome or any browser of your choice. Type ChatGPT. So let's dive in. I already have it on my phone. So we are now here, and let's take, for example, our niche is about weight loss. So, and you maybe want to make video and you don't even know what to talk about in your video, what you need to do is to ask ChatGPT anything, right? So I will have to ask ChatGPT to give me 5 video ideas for my YouTube channel. My channel niche is about weight loss, right? So we have asked ChatGPT about this question, so let's wait for the answers. You understand? Can you see what is happening here? The first example, or the first this thing he gave you, I tried popular diet or workout for 7 days. Here is what happened. And this one, it brings curiosity, as in people will want to know what really happened. So it's an engaging topic. Another topic it gave you is top 5 weight loss mistakes beginners make and how to fix them. So another topic it gave you that you can talk about is what I eat in a day to lose weight, realistic and budget friendly. So the fourth one is beginner workout routine that get at home, no equipment needed. Though the fifth one is how I lost 20 pounds, my honest weight loss journey. These are the 5 topics that it gave us. So now we have a video idea that we want to talk about, and we want to take it one step at a time. That is, let's take for example, this is a 5 days video plan that you have gotten now. So what you have to take the number 1 video plan now for the day 1. So we'll go ahead and ask ChatGPT to write a script, write a comprehensive script about day 1 plan. Make it engaging. These are all the things you need to tell ChatGPT. Be clear with whatever you're asking, because the way you ask it is the way it's going to give it to you, right? Write a comprehensive script about day 1 plan. Make it engaging and SEO friendly. Include SEO means search engine optimization. So make it, we are asking ChatGPT to optimize whatever is going to put out here. Include searchable keywords. Include searchable keywords. Very important. Yeah, you can ask for the length of the video. Make it like 10 minutes video. Use simple English. Use simple but engaging English, right? Okay. What again do you want to ask? Anything you want to ask, just be comprehensive, just be clear about what you're asking ChatGPT, because the way you ask is the way it's going to give it to you, right? So let's say we have finished telling ChatGPT what we want. Make it in such a way that we are presenting immediately. Write it in such a way that you are presenting immediately, right? So let's now see what it has for us. Okay, look at what it's saying. Here is a great day 1 weight loss plan YouTube script written with a presentational friendly style, designed for a 10 minutes video. All these things you ask for is optimized with SEO friendly keywords like day 1 weight loss, beginners weight loss plan, how to start losing weight, and more. So this is now the title of that day one script, YouTube video script. Day one weight loss plan. Start losing weight today, step by step, right? Okay, this is script, day one. It starts from here. So from 30 seconds, that is 0 to 30 seconds to 1 minute, you're going to talk about this. So you can now go ahead. YouTube have given the ChatGPT have given you a script. It's now left for you to read all these things and maybe include whatever you want to include. You can go ahead and talk whatever you want to talk, or you can follow the script and do your video. So you start by, hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Keneka, my name is Keneka, all those stuff. Then these are the steps, or everything you need to talk about. Let's start with your morning routine. Step 1, hydrate immediately, move your body, Keneka, all those stuff. Everything is complete. And if you notice, this one, the last one, and it's telling you all these visual, whatever you want to add on your screen of the video, so that it will make your audience engaged. It will engage your audience. They will follow up till the video ends. So all these things are what we asked, and ChatGPT gave it to us. It's now left for you to go and sit down and study the script, read about it, then add your own idea, then set your camera and start talking about what you've learned. Or you can as well follow the script. Even if you want to do faceless channel, you can as well do it. You can use visuals. Look for visuals, as in something that is not your video. Then you can be on the background and be talking about all these things with your voice, but your face is not showing. So let's say, for example, our script is complete, our video is also complete. We want to start posting now, but we don't know the title, we don't know the description we are going to put on the description box, we don't know the hashtags we are going to put, or the tags also. So we have to ask ChatGPT to give us all those things. So we now ask further, okay, can you give me 3 SEO title ideas, right? It's going to give you absolutely SEO. So the first title it gave you, the one weight loss plan for beginners, based on that topic for day one. Or you can choose how to start losing weight, day one routine, right? Or you can still choose lose weight starting today, day one meal plan. They are still talking about the same thing but different distance. So you can still go ahead, for you to make your choice out of these 3. You can still go ahead and ask ChatGPT, which one do you choose, or which one do you think that have the capability of going viral, right? Which one do you choose among the 3? This one you choose. Let me stop here. So ChatGPT choose this one, how to start losing weight, day one routine, meals and workouts step by step. And it gave you the reason why it shows that one, right? So now we have gotten our title. We'll now go ahead and ask for description, tags, hashtags, and others. Okay, can you write or a keyword, searchable keywords description, searchable keywords description on this topic, right? Include also the tags, the hashtags first, hashtags, tags, and thumbnail idea. So this is the description now. Can you see them? Immediately, you don't need to waste time. And all these things he wrote here is what you have already talked about in your video. The key points you talked about in your video, it will come to the description and highlight them, right? Then watch next, you can as well add a link of a video that you have posted or video that you are going to make the next day. You understand? So you can as well include this one. If you go to some people description, you see where they a provision for their where they wrote down their social media handle. All these things you can include them on your description. Then the hashtags, very important for optimization, so that whenever someone search for your video, that's why I always include searchable something, searchable keywords, searchable this, why I am making this video, so that people will always see it. I would advise you to always make a searchable content that whenever someone come back 20 years time and search on YouTube, as long as that video is still up there, it's still generating money for you. So these are the tags, right? You can copy it and add on your this thing while optimizing your YouTube studio. So here is the idea of the thumbnail. If you don't know how to design a thumbnail, from here you can read it, and the left side is telling you what to write, how to do your face, why you want, or if you want to put another picture or maybe picture of yourself, what you want, text suggestion, big bold font, you write on capital letters, day one, start now, all those stuff, the colors you're going to design your thumbnails with, how you're going to, your facial expression, how you're going to design your thumbnail, right? So all these things, with this, I know you will not run out of content ideas. When this 5 days content get exhausted, you can still come back and ask for another, maybe 30 days this, but I will advise you take it bit by bit, maybe 1 week this thing. After that, then you go ahead and ask for another this thing. So this app will really make your content creation journey a simple one, a baby lifestyle, baby girl stuff, no stress, no much hassle. You understand? So it will make you or your journey on YouTube to be more engaging, more enjoyable, and less stressful. With this, I know I have impacted a lot of ideas. I know, right? I don't even know how to express my joy. And I know many of you, if you watch this video from start till this moment, you will not run out of ideas again or how to optimize your videos. After you have finished optimizing this thing, while posting your video, don't put it on public immediately. Leave it on private, or you unlist them, or you schedule. Don't put it on public immediately. Leave it on private, or you unlist, or you schedule. Because when you do it like that, YouTube will be able to have time to inform your audience that maybe your video will be live so time and so time. You understand? Or YouTube will be able to do some checks, necessary checks, before the algorithm will start work immediately after you upload your videos. So if you know this video is helpful or I added value to your content creation life, please help me to subscribe, and for more tips, because I have a lot of tips for you, right? So for more tips, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to share, like and comment. Please keep my channel engaging so that I will have that morale to keep bringing good tidings to this channel for us to keep learning. With this, I know that your YouTube journey or any of the social media journey will not remain the same. You will not run out of content ideas again. Then after making that your videos, you will not be able to leave your videos like that without doing your own part, then allow YouTube to do their own part. You have to optimize. You don't just keep your video like that and expect miracles to happen to them. No, it doesn't work that way. So with this, I will come to the end of this video and see you guys in my next one. Calista signing out. Bye.